Check it out. This is crazy. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, She's French, and if you're new, welcome. If you don't know, my name is Jenna. I'm a French girl based out of California, and I make videos about curating your life French girl style. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. So for today's video, I'm a little bit barefaced. I just did my base makeup because we're gonna do a little beauty makeover. I was really kindly sent some products from the brand Glamnetic, and this is so exciting for me because these are things that I wish I could incorporate into my little self-care routine, but honestly I just don't have the time and I'm not very good at it. So today I think this is gonna fix all my problems. So let me show you what they sent me. And I was able to choose from the products. So these are products that I'm so stoked about. Here is the packaging, super cute. But anyway, let's unbox. So I just wanted to give you a little overview, show you the products, and talk about the brand a little bit. So Glamnetic is female owned, which I think is so amazing. Go girl power. And they're based out of LA, they're cruelty free, and they do offer vegan options. Essentially, they sell magnetic lashes, hence the name. You just need the eyeliner, the lashes stick to the liner. And then they also sell press-on nails, and they're very on trend. They're customizable and reusable. I feel like this company is so amazing because they basically cut out the need for you to get lash extensions or go get your nails done. You can do everything at home, and there's a lot of variety to choose from. So needless to say, when Glamnetic reached out to me, I was beyond excited. I had heard about their products before, and it's really something that I wanted to incorporate in my routine, so I'm super excited. If there's any products that you'd like to try, they did give me a coupon code to share with you guys. You just enter She's French at checkout and you'll save 15% off your order. Anyways, let's get back to the video and let's unbox the products one by one. So first things first, I was sent the magnetic eyeliner. I got to choose and I chose the Hello Kitty one, which is so cute. You guys know I love cute makeup, so this really spoke to me. Super excited. This is like the most important thing because this is what you use to stick the lashes onto your eye. They'll magnetically stick to the liner, which is just insane. Technology is unreal. I then chose the little tool. This is to stick the lashes on. There's a little comb and then kind of like a tweezer shape to help you place them. Super cute. I then got to choose 3 different lashes, which is so exciting. There was a lot to choose from, so it's actually really hard, but I think that's a good thing because it means that you'll definitely be able to find something that speaks to you. I chose Honey, just like this. Sweetie, which is this one. And then Pixie, which is actually brown, which I think is so exciting if you want to do something like still voluminous but a little bit more natural. This is a dream come true for me because I love lashes, and throughout the years I've tried a lot of different lash products, and honestly they're very hard to put on, so I think this will be a lot easier because you guys know I do a really simple eyeliner and then just mascara. Like that's pretty much the look. The rest of my face is pretty bare, so I feel like that will really elevate my eyeliner game and stuff while still being wearable and easy. So excited. And then last but not least, I got to choose 2 of their press-on nails. The first one is called Cloud 9. They're kind of like jelly nails, which is so cool. I've been wanting to do jelly nails for a while, and because I keep my nails pretty short, it doesn't really work. So these have a little bit of length to them. You can file them to any length that you prefer, but this is really exciting. I haven't had nails this length in a really long time, like since high school. So like what, almost 10 years. So this is super cool. I get to try the jelly nails and I can do it myself. And then these are the ones that I was like, oh, when I saw them on the website. They're called French Press, and this is the She's French channel after all. But this really speaks to me. A super simple nail, just with a little something. You guys know I keep my nails like plain, but I think it looks clean. So this is gonna be a really good like everyday look for me, and you can reuse them. As a new mom, I don't really have a lot of extra time to go do more of these like self-care appointments. My hair is already a big commitment, and that is like a lot as it is. If you guys don't know, I go to LA for my hair. It's like a whole day thing. That's a lot. So this is stuff that I get to do at home, but without compromising on style and quality, which is really important to me. I'm so excited. All right, so let's get started with the little makeover. And of course, we're gonna start with the eyeliner. I'm excited to open this. I love Hello Kitty. I love cute makeup. You guys know my makeup collection is like a good mix of very classy, but also like super cute. So here is the liner. It has like a holographic foil. And look, a little cute Hello Kitty. Oh my gosh. So let's get started. I have my little mirror, but I'm gonna try to show you as close as I can. So hello, here's me getting up close and personal. So I'm gonna carry it along my lash line a little bit further than I normally do. Obviously the lash needs to be able to stick to the liner, so we need to have something there. Okay guys, liner is on. I obviously went a little bit further in to make sure that the lashes had something to stick onto. The liner is so good, and I'm kind of like a liner expert, so I mean it. This one's a little bit thicker, so it goes where you want it to go. You don't have to over layer many times. You know how like sometimes it's a little bit sheer. This one is not like that. Definitely a very deep black color. Easy application. It dries really fast. I didn't have any issues. Normally I'm like very scared to blink and like look around for a long time. I'm like fanning my liner. This one dries almost instantly, which is pretty crazy, and I appreciate that because I have hooded eyelids. But anyway, let's try the lashes, the star of the show. So I actually really want to try Pixie. Those are the brown lashes. I feel like those are gonna be like my everyday lash. But then I also want to try Sweetie, which are kind of just like half lashes just for the outer corner. I feel like those would go really well with eyeliner. Those are probably a little bit more like glamorous going out, but you never know, they might be perfect for everyday too, so we're gonna try. I want to show you guys this from close up because this is just insane. Check it out. Da, da, da. See the little magnets peeling off, and this is magnetic, so you can put them away. But this is just insane. I'm hoping that they go on my lash just like this. This is what I've always struggled with in the past with glue and so on, and at that point it would get really messy, and next thing I know I smudged everything. So I think this is gonna change my life. I can't wait. Let's try it now. Wow, that was insane. That was so easy. I heard it clip on and it's like perfect. I don't think I even need to put mascara on. I feel like it blends well. Definitely gives me like an extra like glam factor. Super natural. Well, for fake lashes, very natural. I love the brown. Look from the side. Let's do the other. Okay, just put the other one on. So I definitely consider myself a complete lash newbie. I think the last time I wore lashes was prom in high school, so it's definitely been a while, but I feel like I did a really good job. I can see myself wearing these every day. They definitely add a little bit of extra glam, but I feel like they're still natural, they're still very wearable. I really love the brown. I don't think that I'm even gonna put mascara on because I like how this looks. I like that I have like less makeup on, if that makes sense. Okay, so let's do the test. Yeah, I mean, it's on there, like it's on the liner, it's pulling up my eyelid. I love them. I'm gonna try Sweetie on one side, a kind of different vibe. I love the packaging. So beautiful. Really pretty to own and have around, but also like a pleasure to use, which I think is really important. I'm gonna remove this one. There we go, super easy. Okay, so here is Sweetie. I've trimmed this one just a little bit as well. That's just because of my eye shape, I already know, but let's go ahead and put it on. I mean, that's just so easy, it's ridiculous. Okay, so I have Pixie on this side, Sweetie on this side. This one definitely gives me like a Marilyn moment. Super beautiful. I actually think they're both very wearable. I would probably save this one for a night out. This one, I think I am gonna start wearing every day for sure. Really natural and pretty, but still like there's something going on. It looks a little bit like more put together. I think they're really, really beautiful. I really recommend them. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other Pixie back on to finish the video so that I'm even. Let me just, boop. Oh my God. I'm like obsessed. And if you guys want to try any of the products that I've shown or others, I do have a code for 15% off. It's going to be She's French. You'll just enter it at checkout and save 15%. So the lashes were part 1. Part 2 is the little nail transformation. We're going to be using French press. I'm really excited. My nails are prepped. They're very short, clean, just my regular nails. But I'm really excited to have a little bit of something different going on. Zen's birthday, Zen is my son, is coming up. I'm definitely going to be wearing those for that too, just so I can look like really nice and done up. I don't have a lot of occasions to get dressed up for, and that is definitely a big, big occasion. We're throwing him a little party, so these will be on. Let's go ahead and try them. All right, so I have all my nails picked out. I was able to just size them. Let's put them on. So here is the before. I'm gonna go ahead and really quickly kind of push back my cuticles just a little bit. And next up, let's do the little alcohol pad. This is to prep for the glue, to make sure that the glue is gonna stick to your nail and nothing else. I'm pretty excited. I haven't had my nails done very, very long time. What's really cool about these is that this is a nail style that I would really like to do on my nails myself, but I don't have the steadiest hand to do a French tip like that, so this is done for me. Just have to glue them on. So just sizing one last time. Oh my gosh. Let's glue them on. Nail glue. Drop is on, grabbing the nail. Whoa. Ta-da! Ooh. Cute. I haven't had my nails done in a while, so I'm more like taking it in. Here is one. I'm probably gonna file them down a little bit, but I love it. I can't wait to see it on these. The thumb is like not the most attractive nail, so let's do the rest. I'm just pushing it in place. Stop. This is so quick, by the way. I'm just like taking a while because I'm like taking the nails in, but I think you could do this in like 5 minutes. It's very convincing. Last one. This is so cute. I love how it's so subtle. It just blends with the black clothes, but then there's like, oh, there's a little something going on. I'm gonna do my other hand off camera. I didn't want this video to be too long. So with that, the makeover is complete. This was so much fun. I really love trying these products. I feel like they're such a good fit for me and my lifestyle. I'm obsessed with the lashes, like beyond obsessed. Completely exceeded all of my expectations. And really, when they say that it's very easy, it truly is. I'm just pretty blown away by them, and I really like how they look. I love the brown. I really recommend trying brown if you want to try something different. I feel like they really soften me up. I feel like sometimes the green eyes are a little bit intense, but this looks like nice and like warm and cozy. I don't know. I feel like you know what I mean. So yeah, I love these. Also love the nails. This is so beyond perfect for me. I don't have time to go to the nail salon. I have a baby at home. This is perfect. Literally took me 5 minutes. I love the styles that they have. This French press style is just, I feel like these were made for me because I love how they're super subtle. Like right now, you can't really tell I have anything going on, but then if I move my hand away, you see the little brown tips. I filed this one down just a little bit so that I can use them when I pick out my contacts, because I do wear contacts, not color contacts, just vision. I would never subject myself to non-necessary contacts. But yeah, I need to be able to get in there. But these are perfect. I love them so much. So again, if you want to try any of these products, do use my code shesfrench for 15% off. Let me know if you try anything. Let me know if you try the brown lashes. I feel like these are a complete game changer. You'll be seeing me with these on pretty much every video and always in the future. I love them so much. I can't believe they actually might have made me get rid of my mascara routine. That's insane. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye guys.